Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series and now we have to start graph BFS and the first question is nearest exit from the entrance in maze. So in this question there is given a M cross N matrix named maze and the empty cell is represented by dot and the wall is represented by plus. Okay, and here is given a entrance is given uh, 0 which is row and a column, okay, and denotes the row and a column of the cell initially standing at. So हमें given है कि एक लड़की है जो मूव कर रही है एंट्रेंस पे, मीन्स एंट्रेंस नहीं, उसका हमें गिवन है कि वो कहाँ खड़ी है. अब हमें वो पाथ बताना है जहाँ से वो एग्जिट करे तो उसका शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ हो. ओके, सो you just have to return the minimum number of steps to reach the shortest path. Okay, and if such no path is exist, then you just have to return the -1. Okay, so let's suppose there is here is given a maze. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here is given a maze and here is wall, here is wall, here is wall. So okay, there is no wall, I just do it by mistake. So the girl is standing here, you just have to return the minimum step to exit. So the girl cannot move from this direction. We just move from up left, right and top down. Okay, so you can't move this. So so there are two exit, this one and this one. So if the girl move from this exit, the number of step is 2. Okay, 1 and 2, and for this exit the number of step is only 1, so the minimum is 1. Okay, so you just have to return the 1. In the same way, there is given another example. The girl is here is given a maze and the girl is standing here. Okay, the girl is standing here and the all road above is block. Okay, so the girl can move only the right direction. So when the girl move, the only exit is this. Okay, so when the girl move from 1, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so you just have to return 2, so minimum step is 2. In the same way, there is no exit, so then you just have to return the -1. So let's do this. How you can approach this question? First you have to create a vector of direction which is 2D type. Vector int direction is 0 1 comma 0 -1, 0 comma -1 comma 1 comma 0 comma -1 comma 0. Okay, so this is the vector of direction, and then you just have to create int m equals to maze dot size comma n equals to maze of 0 dot size int answer equals to 0. Okay, and then just you have to make a q comma pair comma int q. Okay, and then you just have to do q dot push entrance of entrance of 0 comma entrance of 1. Okay, you just have to do like this. And then maze of entrance 0 and entrance of 1, you just have to make it plus. Okay, equals to, you just have to make it plus. And then auto has reached is equals to ampersand int I dot int j, and then you just have to return I equals to 0, j equals to 0, and I is equals to m minus 1, and j equals to n minus 1. You just have to do like this. And after this you just have to traverse through the queue while queue is not empty. You just have to traverse through the queue. Okay, int n equals to queue dot size, and then while n minus minus, you just have to do auto current node equals to q dot front. It is, the current node is q dot front, and then you just have to do q dot pop. Okay, and again you just have to check if if current node is not equals to make pair of entrance of 0 comma entrance of 1. If it is not equals to pair of entrance of 0 and 1, and has reached current node dot first comma current node dot second, then you just have to return answer. Okay, then you just have to return answer, and then for auto ampersand directions int I equals to current node dot first plus direction of 0 comma int, this will int j is equals to current node dot second plus direction of 1. Okay, you just have to add it, and then you just have to check if I is greater than 0 and j is also greater than 0, and j is less than n, and maze of I comma j is not equals to plus, then you just have to do q dot push I comma j. Okay, you just have to do like this, and after this maze of I comma j is equals to plus. You just have to do like this, and after this you just have to do answer plus plus, and then if it is, then return minus 1. So let's run this code. Okay, here is where I have fit 72. Int answer error type. Where is an error? Here is answer defined. There is an error. It's int I. Has reached. Auto has reached. Actually, the answer variable has been defined out of scope, so you just have to do answer plus plus here, and then you just have to return here the -1. Okay, so let's run this code. this code works fine. Let's submit this.